Hand her a circle. Now hands. That's the girl. Now out of the churn, right by the green box, you're going to pull your right shoulder back and right hand and center. Grab the mane. Good. Now slow. Pick them up in your hands. Whoop, whoop. Good. You're single. Look. Right shoulder back, right hand. Now slow 4 down the outside. Slow up. Slow up. Slow. Slower. Slow. That's it. You stay determined. That's good.